Welcome to Sugar Mama's Sacred Sounds. During this journey, we aim to release the snake under the wolf full moon while awaiting our adventure of the horse. Before we begin, find your comfortable position, remove any hearing aids, test your earbuds, or place your device slightly above your head. The volume should be loud but not hurt or be uncomfortable. Slide your eye mask down over your eyes and curl up under a comfy blanket. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale out of your mouth. We are going to start and end this journey with the sounds of the ocean. These sounds will help calm your mind, body, and soul. As you hear the tide rolling in, let your emotions rise. And as you hear the tide roll out, release them to the sea. As we start 2026, we enter the year of the horse. We are leaving behind the year of the snake. The snake, while represents healing by the caduceus, it also represents deception, a thief, a smooth manipulator. This journey aims to heal any deception that has occurred around us over the year of the snake. Take a deep breath in, inhaling the healing that is needed within you. And slowly exhale the deception, manipulation that is holding space within you. The horse represents adventure and the desire to break free from constraints. They create deep bonds and have the ability to overcome obstacles. The horse inspires us to pursue our true purpose and break free from the limitations. What are the limitations you want to overcome? Take a deep breath in, inhaling the adventure, slowly exhaling the obstacles that surround you. During this journey, you could experience an emotional response. Allow this energy to flow through your body. While we want to leave the past behind, we need to feel these emotions to release the manipulation that has occurred. If we feel these emotions with all of our might, we learn from the inconsistencies that have been implanted in our conscious mind. This allows us to see the bright rays from the sun, which keeps us on our path forward, feeling lighthearted and nurtured while using our discernment. Take another deep breath in, inhaling the desire to break free and the healing of the caduceus. Slowly exhale the deception, the manipulation, the obstacles. By releasing these energies, we are able to shine our light, open our heart, and move forward. As the new year begins, in order to move toward the horse, we should look to the moon, as the moon represents our emotions and our intuition. We first encounter a full moon on January 3rd, known as the wolf moon. This full moon is a time to release the things that are not nurturing to you, to your home, or to your family. What is your intuition telling you? A wolf is known for their intuition and the importance of trusting one's instincts. While wolves thrive in packs, they value their independence, teaching us the balance between community and withdrawal. A wolf represents resilience, adaptability, and the need for deeper connections. When your intuition shows inconsistencies on your path, use your discernment. Is the wolf leading you to your true purpose, or is he in sheep's clothing? When you find your pack that is trusting and ensures all is safe with you on your journey, walk alongside this pack and they will lead you to the horse. When you feel alone or uneasy, know the wolf is beside you and the horse is waiting for you. The wolf will allow you to trust your instincts, to continue your journey with precision and ease. By knowing the horse is awaiting your arrival, this places warmth in your heart and may put a gallop in your step. Take a deep breath in, inhaling warmth in your heart. Slowly exhale the uneasiness. The new moon occurs on January 18th. This moon is in Capricorn, which gives us the discipline and the authority to make our journey what we have desired for so long. What do you desire? While we must expect the unexpected on our path, we continue to move forward and shine our bright light as we are meant to, just as the horse gallops on and doesn't look back. Take a deep breath in, embracing the wisdom of the wolf and the loyalty of the horse. Exhale slowly, releasing the snake that is keeping you from nurturing and trusting yourself. This is the time to plant your seeds for what you desire on your adventure. However, we must be ready for when we need to use our discernment and follow our instincts when deception comes across our path. Remember, the intuition and the wisdom of the wolf is within you, and the adventure of the horse is awaiting you. We will finish the journey by hearing the sounds of the waves. These waves represent your emotions and intuition. Follow the sounds as they provide calmness and ease in your heart, mind, and body. As the waves roll in, follow your intuition. What is your heart, mind, and body telling you? As the waves roll out, release what is holding you back. Release it to the sea. The ocean sounds fade. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath in. Slowly release.